I'd like to show you how to set up InDesign for your magazine project. First, you want to make sure that your InDesign is set up for inches. So make sure that that's set up for you. So when you start a new document, it's going to say inches. Let's set it for 5 pages. One for your table of contents, another for your cover, a 2-page spread, and your text-heavy ad. Have facing pages checked. 8.5 by 11 is your typical size. That should be fine. Orientation portrait. Just for our setup purposes here, I'm going to set up for 2 columns, and I'm going to set up our gutter for just under a 1/4 inch. That'd be a good starting place. So right here, this will be your cover. And over here will be your table of contents. Next will be your typography advertisement. And the next page here, these 2 pages, will be your 2-page spread. Now the next thing you want to do is set up your master pages to do your pagination. So don't do your pagination here on your page view. We're going to set that up on your master pages. So go to your pages palette here, and we're going to double click on master page A, and note that all these pages have the master page A set up. So we're going to go down to the bottom here. We'll do a text box. And we'll just, for this first part here, we want to put the page number from our pagination. And you're going to right click on there, and you're going to insert special character, marker, and then current page. I usually put 2 spaces, the vertical line that's next to the right bracket key, and then you want to put the name of your magazine. Some people like to put a website. And then you're going to put the date. Month and year is fine. They don't put a date on that. And you're going to make this a relatively small font. 12 point is way too big. So go up here and change this to, there is a warning of using fonts any smaller than 6 point. It's usually too small to read. So 7 point would be a good place. I'm going to just bring this down just a little bit, kind of see if I can put it right between the outer edge of the document and our margin. So we'll just set this pagination right inside the margin. I'm going to alt click and drag, make a copy of this, and put it just on the other side, except on this side I'm going to right justify, and we'll put the page number on the outside. Right click, insert special character, marker, and current page number. And that's our pagination. So now we'll go back to our regular page view, and we'll go to table of contents. Table of contents should have the pagination, but the typography ad, advertisements usually don't have the pagination from the magazine. So what you can do is take the none of the typography ad and take that away. Also on the cover, you're not going to have the pagination. So go to your cover, go to the none master page, and you can get rid of your pagination. So now your document should be all set up for your magazine project. At this point, save it to your student drive, use your naming convention, and you should be good to go.